What's going down, guys? Welcome back, it's been a while since I uploaded. Yes, I know I've been working a lot and I don't have many days off, and by the time I get off it is too dark to even vlog, so I gotta vlog on the weekends. Weekend warrior. I've been having the most terrible luck with this car. Last weekend I washed it and instantly rained. I wiped it off, rain again. So now today, holy crap, look how high I was driving. But now today, I will be not washing this car again. I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of seeing me rewash this car over and over again. So I switched cars and now I'm pulling up to Shayne's house. So let's get to it. It's Shayne and Moody here. And I'm not sure exactly what he's doing to his car at the moment, but it looks like he's taking it apart for some reason. Let's go check it out. We got a second Honda, huh? So now you got two Hondas out here?
What? What's fucked up with it? You don't see how it's not bubbled? It's like fucking melting. What's up?
Not much, man. You know we gotta check out the new build.
You have to unlock each and every door.
Wow.
It's a broke man car, bro. I'm broke. Look at this.
Whoo! Smells good though. Ah.
It smells good, but it smells weird. Like it smells good, but it smells old.
Yeah.
High school girl too, so you know she was probably doing that freak nasty in here.
She probably had sex in that seat right there.
Hey, that's probably where the headliner is coming down, bro.
Oh man, she was scratching it.
Yeah.
Damn.
Hey, but it's all good though, cause
sloppy seconds.
See, look, bro, look, she got banged up in the front.
Damn.
You'll never see me do that to this.
It's a nice little daily. Don't forget to lock the door, you know? Cool. What if I just slid to him over there? Just...
It's like right here along this line.
So you say he has a cracked transmission?
It's like all on the steel, there's like fluid.
Yeah, it might just be leaking a little bit. Just fucking,
Oh shit, Shayne, look at all that fucking oil right there.
What?
All the oil right here. You got like an oil pile up. Right there. Take a look at the inside of this. Holy sh! What happened there?
Broken it.
Man, this car is going under so much construction. So much plans. Are these the new ones or old ones? These are old ones. Where the new ones at, boss? Damn. So much stuff's going on. The new door panels.
They're right there.
So, I was given the job of taking off the exhaust. Let's get to this thing, you know, because I barely got any space under here. That's loose. Now, to try to get... Oh, I hit my camera. Oh, cool. Got it. It's coming off. Oh no, it's spinning on the back. I need help. I need two hands for this. Cool, that's easy enough. Oh, thanks for the crescent wrench. But that's off. Now to take his O2 sensor off. Oh. So update, this guy Shayne tried to kill me, sends me in the car, and this goddamn jack isn't even on it. The whole car's in the air. That's on there hard, but man, this front one, man, he tried to fucking kill me. Alright, so now we're gonna take this pipe off in the back right here. I guess I'll update you guys again soon. Bang bang, that exhaust is off. And there goes This part of the exhaust, it's off too. All right, Shane, you gotta tell me what's next, man. What do you want me to take off now?
They gotta take the fucking pipe off, the downpipes.
Oh, you want to take the downpipe off too, boss?
You gotta take all that off.
Sure. Let me get to
look
it.
at this ugly ass manifold, bro.
Ooh, I mean,
ugly ass.
you're the one that drives with it. All right, cool. Shane wants me to drain his coolant over here. And I'm gonna try to remove this line without leaking on me.
What the fuck? My fucking cousin just shredded it.
Oh,
Yeah,
here it goes.
yeah, it's taken.
Oh, there goes some more. Why does it look blue?
Fuck my shit up. I didn't get a chance to use it.
Why does your coolant look blue?
That's good.
Blue? It's supposed to be green.
Let's watch different colors.
Oh, I guess so. Alright, here it comes. Oh shit! Woof. That was all over me.
Let's put fucking in the cooler, bro.
The engine coolant?
Damn it. That's like everywhere, dog.
Back up, dog. That shit's splashing all over.
Oh! Just play on my emotions right now.
Bro, we need to get Shayne.
Well, hey Shane, I got your coolant drain. So, what's next now? Hey, it matches your hoodie though. Yeah.
Or you can even wash this shit, like mop the floor every now and again.
With the coolant? Are you saying mop the floor with coolant?
No, man, I was.
Oh, I was like, what are you talking about, bro? Whoever put this on should be right here on the side. What?
What other song?
I don't know the song.
Bro, what are you trying to fucking do?
Dude, that's it.
I was like, what are you trying to do?
Don't worry, Moody, I got this, boss. I'm a backyard mechanic.
It's already drained?
Hey, can I try to push it up the driveway?
Yeah, let's do it.
I bet. You gotta drop that e-brake when you want.
Drop the e-brake. Ooh, we about to do a cinematic. Ooh. Hey, but look at these little arms though. Look at these little arms.
What?
Look at these little arms. Bro, hey, if you flex,
right there, bro?
hey, if you flex and your chest caves in, where'd it go?
Such a nice sunset, isn't it? What are you laughing at? Oh, nothing.
Car, bro.
What'd you say? What'd you call it?
Asshole looking car, just like ass.
But who drives it?
Hey, yellow spin racing is the shit.
Is it?
Yes.
Are you trying to plug him right now?
Look, fuck these Brimbos.
Oh man, he just disrespected the Brimbos though.
Hey, they're smaller.
What? Why would you want smaller ones? Don't you want bigger ones?
They are, but these are 4 piston, these are 6.
Oh shit, you can see it right there.
Smaller, more efficient.
But yeah, see, it's smaller, more efficient. See, it didn't have all this.
But will you
right
ever go
here.
that fast?
Huh?
Will you ever go that fast?
Brembo package. I wish.
Oh look, he dropped the top on it. Being fancy over there. Ew, look at that. Oh, can't see it.
Don't
no
look
more.
at it. Don't look at it.
Damn. All right, let's get to it. It's working. He said he's gonna chug it. Let's see you chug this, man. All right, for the vlog, let's see it go
Why am I
down.
chugging this?
Why?
You've had a shitty fucking day.
Damn, savage. Oh, you got more. Keep going. There you go.
Shit.
Ah.
Wow.
All right, guys, break time is over. Let's get back to working. It's just taking the bolt off right there.
Right here?
Yes, sir.
All that I gave.
Actually, that's 1 out of 4.
Bro.
Hey, man, so it's been about 30 minutes. Are you feeling it yet?
Feeling what?
Oh, so you're not feeling anything no more, huh?
I'm
Getting
feeling
pretty-
a whole lot of shit.
Are you gonna get that last bolt off, bro? Oh shit, it's not even the last bolt.
Hell no, I'm not about to get this bolt out, bro. Look, I can't even find this bolt. It's somewhere around here. Looking for the bolt, bro. I think it's Look, he's in the camera. Well, you can't see it, bro. Wait.
That's right there. Very, very. Yeah, there you go. I think he's fucking lit right now.
Hell yeah, I'm lit.
Hey, plug your merch, bro. Plug your merch.
The merch, the unrecognized banner.
Yeah, plug it, bro.
Lit. About to drop a new line in probably about 30 days. Boy.
So when am I gonna be able to pick up a hoodie, bro?
When you gonna pick up a hoodie?
Yeah.
Fucking February 1st.
February 1st, bro. That's too long. I'm gonna plug his merch right now. If you guys want some unrecognized stuff, go follow this link right fucking here.
Hey, they're doing a giveaway right now if you want to drop this video tonight.
Dropping it tonight? I'll probably drop
3, 2, 1, go. It's doing a video.
Oh shit, 3, 2, 1, go. So I guess I'll put their link in the description below. Hopefully I can drop that shit tonight.
I don't think it's gonna come back. I don't think it's going back in.
That's what I was saying. The bolt is not.
But it's a downpipe to the manifold. I'm getting a new manifold anyway.
But what if you don't get it in time, boss?
What? If I can't get this bolt back in?
Can you even hold the phone? I'll hold it. I don't know if I was gonna give you a light, but I'll hold it.
Bro, I feel like, bro, you know, like when you.
Hey, look at the position he's in. It's off the ground and stuff. Damn, dude. I think the camera looked better right there if I put that light. Update's gonna have to come up. I'm gonna have to shut the camera off, help him out real fast, and come back to you guys. Bro, you're tripping out over here.
Hey.
This guy is tripping out right now. I still see you through the front windshield.
Evo right here, this is my main girl. This is my main girl. So you know how like the main girl always looks better? She always look, this is a dime piece, right? Then you got my side chick over here. But but that makes no sense to have this this side piece. Cause she is nasty and ugly as fuck. And you got this. Sexy. Oh, yeah.
I think that wraps up today's vlog because, you know, I got to get some rolling on the road. Do you want to do the outro?
It's unrecognized core right here. Got the Evo right here. We're taking it apart. Stay tuned for Levon Baker's build. We out here. And good night.